Welcome to the Aviation School channel. F-35 Lightning II Overview. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation multi-role fighter jet developed by Lockheed Martin. It is one of the most advanced and capable fighter jets in the world and is designed to replace older fighter jets such as the F-16, A-10, and F/A-18. The F-35 is unique in that it comes in three different variants: the F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C, each with its own set of capabilities. Manufacturer. The F-35 Lightning II is manufactured by Lockheed Martin, one of the largest aerospace and defense companies in the world. Size. The F-35 has a wingspan of 35 feet, a length of 50 feet, and a height of 14 feet. Its maximum takeoff weight is 70,000 pounds. Engines. The F-35 is powered by a single Pratt Whitney F135 afterburning turbofan engine, which provides a maximum thrust of 43,000 pounds. Range. The F-35 has a combat radius of over 590 miles, which can be extended with aerial refueling. Cockpit. The F-35 features an advanced cockpit with a full-color, panoramic cockpit display and a helmet-mounted display system that provides pilots with 360-degree situational awareness. The cockpit is also equipped with advanced avionics and a hands-on throttle and stick system. Weapons. The F-35 is equipped with a variety of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and bombs. It also has a 25mm Gatling gun. Key features. Stealth capabilities. The F-35 is designed to be highly stealthy, with a low radar cross-section and advanced electronic warfare capabilities. Advanced avionics. The F-35 features advanced avionics and sensor systems that provide pilots with real-time situational awareness and the ability to detect and track targets from long ranges. Multi-role capabilities. The F-35 is a multi-role fighter jet that can perform a variety of missions, including air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes, and reconnaissance missions. Vertical takeoff and landing. The F-35B variant is capable of vertical takeoff and landing, making it ideal for use on aircraft carriers and amphibious assault ships. Challenges and controversies. Cost. The F-35 is one of the most expensive military projects in history, with a total cost estimated to be over $1 trillion over the lifespan of the program. Technical issues. The F-35 has faced a number of technical issues, including problems with the aircraft's software, sensors, and other systems. International partners. The F-35 program has faced criticism from some of its international partners, who have expressed concerns about the aircraft's capabilities and cost. Conclusion. Overall, the F-35 Lightning II is a highly advanced and capable fighter jet that is designed to be a game-changer in modern warfare. While the program has faced some challenges and controversies, the F-35 remains a critical component of the United States military arsenal, and is expected to play a key role in future conflicts.